Wait a minute, Biff. What's that? Well, Biff, it looks like the network has taken a liking to a certain pussycat.
Oh, why bother? He can't win. Grammy and the rodent are already halfway across Australia.
Yes, I think we can stick a fork in the pussycat because he's toast, and so is his car. Well, it's always encouraging to see a guy who won't give up.
Yes, but this case is hopeless. There's no way the pussycat will be able to make up the gap between the mouse and Grammy.
Yes, he'd pretty much have to saw the entire continent of Australia in half.
And that's extremely unlikely.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle.
No! He's not gonna...
He sure is gonna, Biff. That crazy pussycat is going to saw Australia in half. How about that, folks?
That's some determined pussycat.
I'll say Biff. And we'd better get off this continent before it sinks to the bottom of Davy Jones' locker.
You rotten, dirty pussycat! Serves you right, you naughty pussycat! Quick! The parachutes! You ungrateful little stinker! If it weren't for me, you'd still be at the animal testing laboratory, having antiperspirant sprayed in your eyes and drinking paint!